If you are a student in 2025 and not using these free AI tools, you are wasting time, energy, and probably grades too. These tools are perfect for high school students, college students, and even online learners. So grab your notebook or just hit have save button because you're gonna want this. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Section 1, AI tools for studying better. Let's start with the tools that can help you actually study smarter, not harder. ChatGPT. Use it to explain difficult concepts, summarize textbook chapters, or generate practice questions. Great for homework help, last-minute exam revision, idea generation. Quizlet plus AI flashcard generator. Use Quizlet or tools like TinyCurves with AI-generated content. You can even paste your notes into a ChatGPT prompt. Create 10 flashcards from this biology text. Perfect for memorization, test preparation, vocab. Perplexity AI, a smart AI-powered search engine that gives cited answers to academic questions. Example, what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? Gives clean answers with sources. Great alternative to Google for research and fast fact-checking. Writing and assignment help. Next up, AI tools that can literally help you write essays, fix grammar, and make you sound smarter. Grammarly, real-time grammar and spelling correction, style improvements and clarity suggestions, work inside Google Docs, Gmail, everywhere. Ideal for assignment, email to professors, personal statements. Notion AI, smart writing, summarizing, outlining, and productivity in one tool. Use it to plan assignments, generate outlines, or even create revision notes. Bonus, students get Notion Pro free with a.edu or school email. Quillbot takes clunky sentences and rewrites them better. Ideal for avoiding plagiarism and making content clear. Use it to paraphrase research or simplify content. Organization and productivity tools. Let's talk about tools that help you manage your time, schedule, and chaos. Google Calendar plus Reclaim AI. Reclaim.ai connects you with your calendar and help you block time for study, classes, breaks, etc. It's like having an AI time management coaching. Perfect for balancing multiple subjects or part-time jobs. Motion. AI that builds your daily to-do list and calendar automatically. Great for students who procrastinate. We all do. Helps fight overwhelm and stay on track. Otter.ai records and transcribes class lectures, online meetings, or personal notes. Use it for reviewing lectures without rewatching hours of video. Great for note-taking during Zoom classes, group study, interviews. Session 4, Creativity and Visual Tools. Whether you are making a presentation or a portfolio, these AI tools help you stand out. Canva Magic Design, AI-powered slide maker, infographic designer, poster builder. Give me a poster about climate change, boom, AI designed it for you. Time-saving, eye-catching, and professor approved. Ideogram.ai or Microsoft Designer. Generate illustrations or diagrams based on your subject. Use for visual learning or designing fun content for school. Helps with visual memory and understanding. Here are a few more gems you will want to bookmark. Tom.app, AI storytelling and presentation builder. Scholar AI, AI search for academic research papers. Cactus.ai, AI assistant for students with templates like essays, intros, conclusions. SciSpace, reads and explains complex academic PDFs. The truth is, being a student in 2025 is tough, but it's also exciting. AI is not just changing the world, it's changing how we learn. These tools won't do the work for you, but they will save you time, boost your confidence, and help you succeed. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment, like in the comments, and let me know which tool you are going to try first. I have also added all the links in the description below, including student discount offers and my personal productivity template. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I have got more student-focused AI hacks coming next week.